Hello, good morning. This is Coach Ape once again. No? Ito na pala yung workout ng sprint athletes natin dyan. Okay, ngayong araw na to medyo maglo-load tayo mga sprinter. No? Mag-workout tayo ng 3 by 1 by 1. Okay, tatlong sets no, na 3 by 1 by 1. Okay, ano ba yung 3 by 1 by 1? Okay, 300 run. Quality run to no? 300 run, then walk 100, then speed 100. Okay, 3 by 1 by 1. Okay, 70 to 80% yung target. Then 3 sets lang, no? Tatlong ulit lang 'yon. Then after niyan, mag-speed kayo ng 30 meters na 6. Yung 6 na 30 meters gawin natin ng 90%, no? Kasi kailangan natin ng ano yan, pure sprint, no? Then after niyan, do it your push up and cool down. Okay, that's it. Thank you. This is Coach Ape, ang coach nyo.